with an amazing view of the lake and the sea. The project is ready to move in, and already 50% of it has residents. We're talking here about the facilities. The facilities are ready to use. Swimming pool, Turkish bath, sauna rooms, everything you need for your family. The spaces here are really wide. The smallest space here is 210 until 325 square meters. It's considered to be really wide, and also being very near to the sea. Adnan Kahveci is one of the vital streets in Istanbul, in Beylikduzu, which Beykent belongs to it. We're talking here about restaurants, cafes, hospitals, everything a family would need. I really like this area. We are here minutes away from the lake of Büyükçekmece and minutes away from the sea, and only 5 minutes away from the metro bus station. This is a real flat from the project. 4+1, 325 square meters. As you can see, it's really wide and it has a lake and sea view. As you saw, the place is amazing. The view is wonderful. What left is your tour to this project. Contact Imtilak to have more information.